should it be the view of the owners of the company? So if I decide to poll the owners of the company on a variety of political issues, and one of them being whether Berkshire Hathaway should support the NRA. I don't. If a majority of the shareholders voted to do it, or if a majority of the board of directors voted to do it, I wouldn't accept that. I don't think that my political views. I don't think I put them in a blind trust at all when I take the job. And in the election of 2016, I raised a lot of money. In my case, I raised it for Hillary, and I spoke out in various ways that were quite frank. But I don't think that I speak. When I do that, I don't think I'm speaking for Berkshire. I'm speaking as a private citizen, and I don't think I have any business speaking for Berkshire. We have never, at the parent company level, we have never made a political contribution. I may go, and I don't go to our suppliers. I don't do anything of that sort where I raise money either for the school I went to or for a political candidate I went to or anything else. And I don't think that we should have a question on the GEICO policyholder form. Are you an NRA member? And if you are, you just aren't good enough for us or something. That I think I do not believe in imposing my political opinions on the activities of our businesses. And if you get to what companies are pure and which ones aren't pure, I think it is very difficult to make that call. I think with that response, I'm almost afraid to call on Charlie, but go ahead.